Hey kids, welcome to Hip Hop TV, where learning meets fun. So get ready to laugh, learn, and groove, only on Hip Hop TV.
Bits of paper, small and light, white and yellow, fun and bright. Tear them, fold them one by one, learning paper, so much fun. Bits of paper, small, small pieces everywhere. Cut and paste and make a shape. Bits of paper show we care. Square and circle, long and round, on the table, on the ground. Make a flower, make a tree, paper art for you and me. Bits of paper, small, small pieces everywhere. Cut and paste and make a shape. Bits of paper show we care. Paper helps us read and write, books and drawings, what a sight. Use it well and use once more. Save our paper, that's for sure.